Hi guys, today we'll talk about Jaguar X-type battery replacement. I'll show you the correct sequence of connecting and disconnecting battery terminals. I'll give you the sizes of batteries Jaguar X-type can handle. We'll talk about the most common issue of all X-typers, a short battery lifetime. Besides, I've added some links in description to this video as usual, and I'll be glad if you'll find them helpful. So let's begin. The only tool necessary for replacing the battery of Jaguar X-type is a 10mm wrench, but I prefer to make use of a 10mm socket. When removing the car battery, the negative terminal should be disconnected first, and vice versa, negative terminal should be connected last when installing the battery. You see, I untighten the terminal nuts while the battery is secured to its place with a special clamp. After disconnecting first negative then positive terminals, I unscrew the bracket and remove the battery from the battery tray. It's an old H6 battery, the same size battery the car was equipped with when I bought it. Here you see dimensions of both H6 and H7 battery sizes. After some time I replaced the H6 battery with an H7 one, the biggest battery that can be fitted in Jaguar X-type battery tray. You see, first I secure the battery with a clamp, tightening two 10mm nuts. After the battery is firmly secured in the tray, I connect first positive and then negative terminals. After trying both above battery sizes, I can tell you that it's not the size which is important to make the battery last long. The matter is that the X-type alternator charges the battery at about 15 volts only during some 5 minutes after starting the engine. After that it turns to about 13 volts, which is not quite sufficient to keep the battery fully charged. Surely running the battery constantly undercharged will not make it last long, so I additionally charge the battery at least once a month with a charger. Sometimes I even don't remove the battery from my car, which is a bit risky and needs to do everything very carefully. It's better consult with your local mechanics whether it is possible to charge Jack with your type of charger without disconnecting its terminals, because charging the battery this way may damage the charger or even some of the car's equipment. First I connect the positive terminal of the charger and then negative. After that I thread the charger wire through the engine bay and plug it in. When the charging process starts, I turn the charger from maintenance to the charging mode. During the process of charging the battery, without disconnecting it, I don't turn on any electrical devices of the car. I even don't open the door so that not to damage the car's equipment or the charger itself. If you are not quite sure that this condition can be fulfilled, it's better disconnect the battery from the car and charge it disconnected. I charge the battery without disconnecting it only in terms of an experiment. After the battery charge, I unplug the charger from the socket, remove first negative then positive cable from the battery terminals and enjoy a long-lasting battery. If this video was useful to you, don't forget to click like and consider subscribing to the channel. I'll be glad if any of the links in description below will be helpful to you.